Hi, Lee Merman here. I'm standing in Golden Gate Point, downtown Sarasota, a totally 100% residential community surrounded by water. Today we're going to take a look inside the peninsula. We're going to look at the lifestyle, the floor plans, and the amenities of these 23 great residences. We're standing on Golden Gate Point, an historic piece of land in downtown Sarasota. It's now become this exclusive residential enclave. It's actually a peninsula, which ties in great because we're talking about the peninsula today. It was first named Cedar Point back in the late 1800s. It wasn't until Owen Burns developed it further in the early 1920s that it became known as Golden Gate Point. What's historically significant is that Sarasota's original 4th of July fireworks were set off from here. Over the years it's evolved. It's now a brick paver, private, exclusive, surrounded by water, residential enclave. But even more than that, it allows accessibility by boat to all sorts of great amenities. You can walk out and go over the John Ringling Bridge to St Armands Circle, or walk out and go east and north to downtown Sarasota in the Arts and Culture District. It's a really quiet, distinct spot in Sarasota. Few know about it, but the people that do live here absolutely love it. The peninsula on Golden Gate Point is made up of 2 buildings and 3 different floor plans and a total of 23 unique personalized residences. The floor plans are 3 bedrooms plus a den, 3 bathrooms ranging from 2,400 to just over 3,000 square feet. There'll be 3 penthouse residences, the top floors in each of the 2 buildings. There will be spacious private terraces with built-in outdoor gas grills for al fresco dining, taking advantage of the superior marina, bay, and skyline views. The designer kitchens feature sleek European-inspired cabinetry, quartz countertops with waterfall on the islands, and top-of-the-line Gaggenau appliances and roll plumbing fixtures. Additional designer appointments include the bathrooms, which will have European cabinetry, premium quartz countertops, soaking tubs, waterwork fixtures, and glass-enclosed walk-in showers. In addition to these fine indoor residences, there are wonderful amenities for the 23 different residences, starting with it is very, very pet friendly. Additionally, there'll be a private resort-style swimming pool, fire pits, a golf simulator, and sun deck with entertainment areas for residents' enjoyment located on the 2nd floor, which connects both buildings. There'll be an on-site concierge for all the residents. There'll be a state-of-the-art fitness center with the latest high-tech cardio and strength equipment. There'll be 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week controlled access points to all elevators, lobbies, and parking garage. It will be very, very secure. And finally, there'll be convenient kayak storage, paddleboard storage, and bike storage to utilize all the amenities which surround the peninsula on Golden Gate Point. I feel that the peninsula on Golden Gate Point could be ideal for a former suburbanite that's ready to move into town and have a little bit more walkability, but not quite ready to have all the excitement right around them. Or the former urbanite that wants a little less concrete and more water and access to nature. These are the types of buyers that I think are going to be great for Peninsula. It's still walkable to all the amenities, and yet it's a little bit more removed and has a little bit more nature, obviously because it's surrounded by water on all sides. When purchasing real estate here in Sarasota, especially pre and new construction, we don't know what we don't know. We will work with you every step of the way. We know the legal, we understand contracts, we understand what incentives may be being offered by a developer at any given time. We know this segment of the market so well that we've written the essential guide to buying new construction here in Sarasota. Give me a call. I look forward to working together.